Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety the first action. Unplug and confirm 0 volts at the plug with a multimeter. Once done, collect wire strippers, replacement cord, connectors, heat shrink, and a screwdriver so you don't pause mid-repair. Next, inspect the jacket and mark where to cut, usually 1-2 inches past visible damage, because removing compromised insulation prevents hidden shorts later. Do this now and move straight into cutting with purpose. You strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from each conductor. Clean metal ensures a solid electrical contact. Once stripped, match colors: green for ground, white for neutral, black for hot, and twist like with like, because correct polarity prevents shocks and device damage. Then crimp or solder the joint for mechanical and electrical integrity. Once secure, slide heat shrink over the connection, because insulation restores safety and prevents corrosion. Make each step. You finish by shrinking the tubing evenly and wrapping with electrical tape for a layered barrier. This protects against abrasion and moisture. Next, reattach the plug or strain relief and tighten the cord grip so a tug won't expose joints. Strain relief prevents future failures. Finally, restore power and test continuity and polarity, then run a brief underload check while monitoring for heat or smell, because a safe fix is proven by stable readings and no abnormal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.